Rachel Questelles is Tobago's only representative in the Prime Minister's Best Village Trophy Competition's La Reine Rive category. She displayed her creativity in the self-expression and the talent finals. A proud member of the Encore dance theatre, Ms Questelles embodied the spirit of the Pembroke community through her captivating performances. Her ability to articulate emotion and the skill in dance left a lasting impression, underscoring the cultural richness of her community and the artistic prowess she brings to the stage.
A lot went into it, and the team has done a lot of work, and we have put our hearts and our souls into this, and we're excited to see what happens tonight.
Here's a highlight of Rachel's remarkable presentations.
Pembroke cultivated a vital part of Tobago's story. Hey, don't drive so quick. My community story, like a good commerce, it's rich and thick. From the early days of plantation to the freedom's beat, Pembroke stood tall with culture planted deep in the soil beneath our feet. I hear the cries for help.
In a corner, I hear a groaning. I hear a groaning. I hear a groaning. I hear a groaning. I am coming. I want to put on my lily white robe.
Death is upon us like a spirit lash hit way. Boom! You mean to tell me we killing 12-year-olds? A 4-year-old caught in a bloody night in Aruka, an honest TTRS driver, and Tobago tragedy strikes in Black Rock. Before we could blink it its way, wap, wap, wap.
Rachel Questelles is among 15 contestants vying for the coveted crown of Ms La Reine Rive at the finals of the Prime Minister's Best Village Trophy competition, Les Grands Affaires. From the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation, I'm Juliet James.